Hello, welcome to another video of this channel. I believe that productivity doesn't require to use multiple expensive apps or use any fancy gadgets. Today I'm going to talk about three applications that I use to keep myself productive every day. So let's dive in. Number one app in the list is Microsoft To Do. I use this app to list out three or four most important things that if I do in a particular day, that will keep myself feel accomplished. Now, it might happen that due to some reason, some outside effects, I might not accomplish all of the tasks in the list, but still I'll cross out all the list items and I will again put those items in the list in the next day. Now this Microsoft To Do comes in desktop app. It has Android app because I use the Android phone. I don't know if it has iOS app or not. Please check it out. So mostly I use the desktop app, but sometimes I use a mobile app if I am out of my laptop or desktop. So that's number one, Microsoft To Do. Apps number two is Google Keep. Now, this app I use to save random things that I might come across while walking, reading, or something that crosses over my head, or I might come across something while surfing to the web. I just save those into the Google Keep list. Now, this app has desktop apps and it comes into Android and it has also iOS version as well. Now, one thing to keep in mind that as you save things in Google Keep, number of things you save, the list might grow out of your control. So take your time periodically to clean up things from the Google Keep list to keep the list tidy and clean and easy to follow. So that's app number two is Google Keep. Apps number three and the last one for today is Google Sheet. Now I use this application to track my expenditure and also write the YouTube script. For example, this YouTube script is written in Google Sheet. So and this application comes in the web and also it has Android and also iOS application, and this is very useful, and so please check this out. So that's app number three, Google Sheet. So this is it. This is what I use to stay productive every day. And I feel that you should start with the free tools. Even if it is notepad, then it's okay. Then if you find that you really need to subscribe for those premium tools or expensive tools, then you should go for those stuffs. But start with the as simple as possible. So I hope you found this video useful, and I'll link all those tools that I use, Google Sheet, Google Keep, and Microsoft To Do in the video description. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.